Hello guys, Steven here. Welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to briefly go over some of the content I want to cover in the conference during 2021 because of the COVID years, that we weren't be able to give a live in-person conference. So in this one, I'm going to share all my experience that I gained from 2020, 2021, and 2022 as well, and to give out my new updated statistics and what did I learn in those few years. So I will be specifically go over of how I really track statistics and how to be able to aim for the highest winning percentage pattern, and how to stay, I would say, of course, very disciplined trading in the penny stock industry. I would say one of the most important thing is how to really structure your trades. I think I went over in the YouTube videos before that I categorize my trades. So number one, of course, has the highest winning percentage and highest less risk, highest reward. Category two will be, I would say, gap up short, lower winning percentage bounce short, and category four will be overstaying gap down, and different patterns land into different categories. And I will use, because throughout 1 to 4 different categories, they have its own winning percentage. So I will be able to sizing bigger into the higher winning percentage pattern and sizing lower into the lower winning percentage pattern. In this way, it will give me the highest reward trading those patterns, and give me, I would say, same amount of risk by separating all those patterns into different categories. So that I will be go over specifically and into detail into the conference. So the conference will be starting less than 10 days. Make sure to grab your tickets, and it's pretty much sold out. So make sure to grab your spot. I will see you guys in the next video.